Good morning, it's Chad Seay from Seay Real Estate here in Richmond, Virginia, continuing with advice to real estate agents. Today I would encourage you to take a holistic view of life, to recognize a saying that is true that you've heard before, I know I have, that everything affects everything, and how you do one thing is how you do everything. Habits are developed that carry over from one part of our lives to another. And if your goal is to excel in real estate sales, to do really well at it, I would encourage you to do well in other areas as well. So you develop good dietary habits, good exercise habits. You take good care of your home. You're being a good steward of that. You're keeping it tidy and in order. You're being a good family person. If you go home to a family in the evenings, you're being an excellent husband, an excellent wife, an excellent parent, brother, sister. Everything affects everything, it really does. And if you want to excel at real estate, try to be a student of how you can excel in every area of your life, your finances, your health, your relationships. It doesn't work to try to excel and to do real well in one area while neglecting and forming bad habits in other parts of your life, because these bad habits carry over. And if you want to do very well at real estate, try to do very well at all that you do in life. You'll be glad you did, and you'll see the results quickly. Have a great week.